How to remove notification number on iPhone apps. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, and manage your apps and notifications. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Notifications as shown. On this page, scroll down through your list of installed apps. Select the specific app for which you want to disable the notification number for. This opens the notification settings for that app. Simply tap the toggle switch next to Badges to turn it off. The app will no longer display a red counter on its icon. Following these steps, you can easily remove notification number for any app on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.